Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something Christmassy. I'm going to show you how to make eggnog. But before I do that, a couple of shout outs. One to Stuart Ferguson, who just made a welcome donation on PayPal, thank you. And also to Riyad Mohammed, who asked if I'd ever done eggnog. And I thought I had, but yeah, can't find it. So I guess I was just dreaming about that. But that's okay, because I like eggnog. So it's very popular in North America. Probably less so here, but I don't really know. I do remember as a kid, my parents would always get a bottle of Warnings Advocaat, which is based on eggnog, but it's nowhere near as good as the real thing. It has a long history. It goes back to the 13th century when it kind of evolved from posset. And basically it's a custard you can drink with booze in it. It's lovely. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And let's get on with it. Okay, ingredients. I've got 6 large free-range eggs. I've got 1 cup of caster sugar, powdered sugar. I've got 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of double cream, heavy cream, and 1 cup of booze. This is dark rum. You could also use brandy or bourbon, or nothing at all. Strange. Okay, first job is to separate the eggs. So I'm using 3 bowls. This will have the yolks in it, that will have the whites in it, and this is an interim one in case I break a yolk. Because like making a meringue, you don't want to get any egg yolk in with your egg white. Like I've just done. I've actually got some egg yolk in there, so I'll chuck that. Right, try again. Okay, managed to do the rest of them without messing up. So I don't think only having 5 egg whites will make a significant difference. Now I'm going to beat together the egg yolks and the sugar. Helps if you put it in the thing. Add the sugar. I've sifted this so there's no mega lumps in it. And just let that mix together for a bit until it goes smooth and creamy. And now I'll add the cream and the milk. Whisk those for a bit. Now we'll pour the booze in as well. It's not actually very thick, but it's a bit frothy. That will settle. So I'm going to stick that in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Normally you would really want to give it at least a day before you finish off and drink it, but I haven't got time. So in the fridge, and we'll come back later. So I'm actually going to use just about half of this eggnog mixture, but I'm going to whip up all of the egg whites, and we can keep those separately until we want the rest of it. So whiz whiz whiz. So we get stiff peaks. Okay, I think it's pretty much there. So I'm going to fold half of that into this and put the other half in an airtight plastic container for the next time we need it. Here we go. That probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but it was fun. By the way, if you're worried about, raw eggs, which you should be in some countries because, they actually add salmonella to them, avoid this recipe. But here in the sunny UK, we think the eggs are salmonella free. So I'll just pop some in this pitcher and the rest on the tabletop. Oh, look at that. Ultra precise measurement. And that's almost ready to serve. Okay, time for a little Christmas drink with Mrs. KeefCooks. Hey! Go, Peckle.
Hi guys!
Where's your antlers?
Oh, I forgot them.
Want some bananas?
No, I'll pass, thanks.
Okay. Do you want some
mayonnaise?
eggnog?
Is that supposed to go like that?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Have you ever had eggnog before?
Yeah. Wasn't like this.
No?
Think of it as ice cream. An ice cream floater. I think it used to be a thing. A snowball. What was that? Was that baby sham with
Baby
ice
sham
cream in
and
it,
something. And then they brought it out as an individual product. Right then.
Oh, not ready yet.
Not ready yet.
We have to have the garnish.
Oh. You salesman. Yeah. And you can get whole nutmegs. The supermarket's got plenty of pre-grated. Whoops! But this nutmeg comes from the Nut House.
Of course it does.
Well, it does. In Kirkgate Market.
Out to Leeds,
And it was
Yorkshire.
really nice there, actually.
Alright. Okay, get stuck in.
What's in it?
Stuff. Eggs, cream, milk, rum.
Cheers.
Oh, that's evil. Do you like that? That's my Santa Claus laugh.
Yes, dear. Get further down. That hint of something extra gets a little bit stronger.
Oh.
I think we're supposed to sip it and go and make light conversation, not neck it and fall over.
I think you're wrong.
Well, cheers everybody. It's very nice. It's all the comfort of a vanilla ice cream, but with something else going on.
Oh. I liked that.
I can tell.
Right then. Eggnog.
So, sorry, but what's it made with? Oh, you said rum, didn't you? So what about Advocaat? Because when we were growing up, every year there were adverts for Mornings Advocaat, and people used to dance in little Dutch outfits at Christmas.
That was made from little Dutch people.
Ooh.
Yeah. No, Advocaat is a kind of thing like eggnog,
Yeah.
but it's all artificial and stuff.
Oh, instant.
Well, it's in a bottle. Just
Yeah.
pour it out.
Oh, I'm glad it's not made from little Dutch people, because we've got little Dutch people in the family. And they're not so little now,
And
are
they're
they?
all 6 foot tall. Indeed.
Anyway, waffling on.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. See you next time.